Hello and welcome to this live Forex trading session. As usual, we're just going to have a look at the markets, see what opportunities the market present for us today, and then we'll take questions and comments afterwards. So we'll start off as usual by looking at the economic calendar to see what reports of high importance are due out that could affect the market we're trading. The main markets that we're looking at are the Euro US dollar and the dollar Canadian dollar. So we're looking for reports of high importance that could affect this markets that we're trading. As usual, do make sure your economic calendar is set to your time zone, to wherever you're based. So my own time zone is GMT +2. So the times I'll be quoting are GMT +2 times. So let's have a look. So how that all these are Asian reports that have come and gone. And 8 o'clock GMT +2 this morning, we had a UK inflation rate report, which would directly impact the pound and the UK stock market. And then the last report of high importance we have, it's 2:30 GMT +2, which is the Canada inflation rate. So with the Canada inflation rate, that would obviously impact all currencies paired with the Canadian dollar and the Canadian stock market. And since we're trading the dollar, Canadian dollar, that would affect us. So like I said, this will specifically affect the dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're trading currencies paired with the Canadian dollar, you want to avoid trading prior to this report at 2:30 p.m. GMT +2. But all other currency pairs that don't have Canadian dollar in the currency pair, you can trade them. And I've been trading the Euro, US dollar, and the other currencies leading up to this report. But I've kept out from the dollar, Canadian dollar, waiting for this report before I trade. So that's what I'm going to do. Just avoid trading the dollar, Canadian dollar prior to this report at 2:30, but the other markets are free to trade them. Don't forget to keep an eye on Market Watch, see if there's any global news that could be creating uncertainty in the currency market, and that's currently there. And so let's go to the platform. So we'll start with the Euro US dollar. I'll start with the daily time frame. So looking at the daily time frame from a swing trading point of view, it's taken out of my buy swing trade order a couple of days ago when the market broke the moving average. You can see the moving average is currently flat, so I'm just observing for now. So I don't have any pending orders on the Euro US dollar for swing trading. So let's go to the day trading. So looking at the day trading, we can see where the market was initially trending sideways. I bought just above the pivot point. So as you can see where the market has broke the pivot point, took my order, and I'm currently in a buy trade. Let's look at the dollar Canadian dollar. So looking at the dollar Canadian dollar, again, we'll start with the daily time frame, D1. So from a swing trading point of view, today's moving average 100 is 2.2441. So with that, I've adjusted my pending sell order to 2 pips below that at 2439. So I'll just adjust that to 2439 and stop loss 100 pips to 539. So that's my pending sell swing trade order adjusted to just 2 pips below the moving average for today. And I'll just reassess that again tomorrow. So we'll go to the day trading 5-minute time frame. Again, we can see the market's currently trending sideways between R1 and the pivot point. But you can see I've not placed any pending orders. I'm just going to wait till just before the report in about an hour's time. I'll reassess the market then and place my orders then. Okay, any questions? If you have any questions, you can either raise your hand or send your questions to the chat box.